Hey everyone, and welcome to Next Gen AI, Deep Reinforcement Learning in PyTorch. This is the best and most in-depth online resource for learning one of the most powerful forms of AI, deep reinforcement learning. So who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, my name is The Lazy Programmer, and I'm the author of over 30 online courses in data science, machine learning, and financial analysis. I have 2 master's degrees in engineering and statistics. My career in this field spans over 15 years. I've worked at multiple companies that we now call big tech and multiple startups. Using data science, I've increased revenues by millions of dollars with the teams I've led. But most importantly, I am very passionate about bringing this pivotal technology to you. Okay, so what is this course all about? Well, as the title suggests, this course is all about deep reinforcement learning, which combines the field of reinforcement learning with deep neural networks. Traditionally, these have been separate topics, but in recent years, researchers have discovered new techniques that make them effective when used together. And the benefits go in both directions. Deep learning has made reinforcement learning much more powerful, allowing it to beat world champion Go and chess players, achieve superhuman performance in video games, and even control robots in the physical world. Conversely, reinforcement learning has made deep neural networks much more powerful. The latest LLM technologies like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini use a technique known as reinforcement learning from human feedback to train these AIs to be our helpful assistants. In short, if you consider yourself a modern machine learning engineer, you need to know both deep learning and reinforcement learning, and how to combine them. So what will you learn in this course, and what will you get out of it? This course will teach you 2 advanced approaches for how to combine deep learning with reinforcement learning. The first is Soft Actor Critic, or SAC. SAC is the advanced version of DDPG and TD3, which we covered previously in my reinforcement learning series. Those methods focused on continuous control environments, think robots. SAC can do that too, but it also works for discrete environments like Atari. SAC is powerful because it adapts the amount of exploration per state and over time. It uses the concept of entropy to control exploration. The second technique we'll learn about is called Proximal Policy Optimization, or PPO. PPO is one of the most widely used reinforcement learning algorithms in both research and industry. It strikes a powerful balance between performance, simplicity, and stability. PPO was even used to train the famous ChatGPT. In this course, we'll cover both PPO and TRPO, Trust Region Policy Optimization, which PPO is based on. TRPO helps us build up a lot of the fundamental theory, and then we'll see how PPO practically approximates it. PPO is so powerful that its status as the king of reinforcement learning algorithms hasn't been challenged for nearly a decade. And yes, because this is a lazy programmer course, you will learn how to build these algorithms from scratch and apply them to a variety of datasets. No longer will you have to spend 20 minutes just to learn 1 line of API code, while still wondering how any of it works. Now you might be wondering, is this course practical? The answer is absolutely yes. Not only will you learn to implement everything we study, we won't just apply them to toy environments like Cartpole. We'll also look at Mujoko, which is a suite of environments for physics simulations. We'll look at Atari games, which demonstrate that agents can learn to play video games just by looking at the pixels on a screen. And for our VIP bonus project, we'll look at multi-period portfolio optimization, which tells us precisely how to diversify our assets with periodic rebalancing in order to maximize returns. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable listing deep reinforcement learning on your resume. You'll also get a certificate of completion you can share in your LinkedIn account to impress your colleagues and potential employers with your newfound skills. This course will help you achieve your career goals. Whether you want to get a job in AI and machine learning, increase your salary, create your own business, or just analyze data for fun, this course is for you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.